Hi, and welcome to this Forest Technical Coatings training video on FirmMarker. Our AASHTO M237 certified 1:1 mixing ratio, 100% epoxy traffic marker adhesive. Part number 18M900C20. In this short 4-minute video, we're going to show you how to unseal and prepare a FirmMarker cartridge for use, how to apply FirmMarker to the bottom of a traffic marker, how to set that traffic marker on a clean, dry surface, how to reseal your FirmMarker cartridge for later use, some of the tools and supplies you'll want to have on hand, and we'll wrap this video up and we'll show you a couple optional guns that are available. With that in mind, let's open a package of FirmMarker and get to work. If you're starting with a brand new FirmMarker cartridge, tear the plastic bag open, then remove and set aside the cap for later use. Next, you'll need to break the factory seal on the plug. To remove the plug, simply hold the cartridge with the sealed plug pointed down and gently tap the plug against a solid surface like this. This gentle tap breaks the seal and drives the plug slightly towards the cartridge. After that seal has been broken, you can then remove the plug. After you remove the plug, be sure to save it and set it aside for later use. You will use this plug to reseal the FirmMarker cartridge. Once the seal is broken and the plug has been set aside, take the mixing tip and screw it onto the threads on the cartridge. FirmMarker is extremely easy to insert into the manual caulking gun. Release the plunger lock with your thumb and pull the plunger all the way out. Drop the FirmMarker cartridge onto the plungers first, then drop into the cradle. Gently push the plunger up to the cartridge, and you're ready to start mixing. As soon as you start pumping the handle, parts A and B will enter the mixing tip. For a perfect mix, you want to see a steel gray mixture exiting the tip. When you are comfortable that the mix exiting the tip is a uniform light gray color, you're ready to apply it to the traffic marker. For optimal adhesion, you'll want to make sure that either the asphalt or concrete surface is dry and clean. Apply a 1/4 inch bead around the entire perimeter of the marker. And then crisscross the center with the same 1/4 inch bead. Flip it over and place the marker in your predetermined location. Using gentle pressure, slightly move the marker back and forth, forcing the FirmMarker epoxy out around the edge of the marker. You'll be looking for approximately 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch around the entire perimeter of the marker. After you are finished setting your markers or delineator bases, here's how you reseal the FirmMarker cartridge for later use. Unscrew the mixing tip and set it aside on a protective surface. Clean the threaded ends of the cartridge with a clean shop towel or rag. Insert the plug back into the cartridge, which will reseal both parts A and B. Then replace the cap. Let's take a look at some of the tools and supplies you might want to have on hand. Solvent for cleanup, shop towels or rags, disposable gloves, and of course, a pair of safety glasses. Keep in mind that FirmMarker is designed for both traffic markers and traffic delineator bases. Let's take a look at two optional caulking guns that we have. The first option is an 18-volt cordless caulking gun or a compressed air caulking gun, but of course this will require a compressor. For more information on the FirmMarker cartridge, replacement mixing tips, the manual caulking gun, 18-volt cordless or air-powered caulking guns, please call 1-800-537-7201. Thanks for watching this instructional video on FirmMarker from Forest Technical Coatings.